Hey, what's up? My name's Lewis King. This is my Tableau project for ACG 2021, which is also known as Principles of Financial Accounting. In section 7 in Professor Canis's class. So brief overview of the reason for this project is that we're trying to create an interactive dashboard for Cat Manufacturing, which is a fictitious company, and help them devise overall strategies in the future by looking at the trajectory of sales in previous quarters, years, regions, divisions, customer numbers, and like customer lines, product lines, all of that. So as you can see right here in the tables, the data suggests that we've collected customer numbers, various divisions, whether that's Russia, United States, Germany, UK, the location of the customer, the category of what we sell to them, their market, and then the product line, um, and then also our sales revenues for those product lines as well. So, looking at question 1, when asked about the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2021, of 2020, you can see that the sales would be in the third quarter right here. That'd be $9,142,297. Then if we're looking at the total sales revenue for the medical category, which would be the second quarter of 2021. So click on the second quarter of 2021, look at the medical category, boom, right there. That'd be $2,002,046 and $190. Repeat that same thing for look at the product line with the highest sales in 2019 under the material processing category. So we know we need material processing, and we know we need the highest in 2019. So deselect 2021, 2019. And you can see right here that product line would be pulsed YT with a sales revenue of $2,477,608. Then you need the top product line for Germany in 2019. Same year, but now we're going division specific. So that product line would be low YT, less than 100. And then if we're looking at Telecom UK in 2020, so Telecom UK 2020, you can see that quarter 3 had the highest sales with 125,634 in sales revenue. Cat Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020 overall would be gotta deselect these. Would be the Boys Company with $223,234. And then the top customer for Russia in 2021, once again division specific, click on 2021, would be the Sacramento Inc., which is $342,173. So then the final question asked would be what kind of strategy / plan can you devise from this? And overall, you can create a strategy that helps you market or target towards region specific. You can get rid of product lines that are underperforming, that don't sell as well. You can promote products that sell well in certain areas to that area specifically. Really, it's a great marketing tool. It's very accessible. As you can see, you can click on a lot of different things here. So overall, there's a lot of different things you could do with this. And as a marketing plan, it'd be great to help you determine where you want to locate your finances and budget for the year. And it also helps you streamline which products you really need, which ones you don't need, save some money, see which customers are crucial to your company's success. A lot of different plans you can make with this Outlook. But yeah, that would be all questions I feel like I need to answer. So, yep, deuces.